Hi, I'm Normal 822. Here comes Amtrak 21, the Texas Eagle. There's an event going on, so that's why there's music. But this may have a cabbage unit on it. I am not too sure. But here it comes. Sit back, relax, and eat some popcorn.
Attention please. Please secure all personal belongings. Unattended items may be confiscated. All items should have identification tags. Tags are available at the information desk. TSA regulations require Amtrak to undertake random ID checks on board trains.
Here it comes, if you can hear me.
Personal items may be screened or inspected. Use handrails on escalators and stairs, and monitor children closely. If you observe suspicious activity or unattended baggage, please notify Amtrak police or personnel or call 1-800-331-0008.
Nope, no cabbage.
If you see something, say something.